The Museum Data Service's primary benefit is unifying information across a really disparate set of museums and collections across the UK so that you can get a view of anything from anywhere from just one place.
For many, many years, museums up and down the country have been creating digital records about their collections, and in most cases, those records were just not available beyond the museum itself. So what we're trying to do is to bring together all the object records from all UK accredited museums.
We were in the situation where we had thought that potentially we'd lost our entire collections management system and all of our data. It's like 40 years worth of data. I kept thinking if only I'd deposited at the MDS, I'd at least have that base layer of collection records.
The hackathon is a great opportunity for us to see the art of the possible for the Museum Data Service. We've got a group of people who are thinking about its potential, what it could do to transform the way that museums manage their collections, the way it could completely shift and reframe the way researchers find content. We've got a group of people who are showing us where the Museum Data Service can go next, what we can build next, how it can grow, how it can develop.
The shared goal is that to make museums data easily more available to more people. And then you have a lot of these diverse people come together and try to break and make the system work for itself.
So what I've been really excited to see in the course of this hackathon has been people using data from the Museum Data Service to create visual representations, to create interactive timelines, that take these objects from being individual units of data into being a narrative, a story that can tell us about where those objects came from, when they came into certain collections, and that can lead us to think about what they mean and how we can present them to audiences and to the general public.
In this room right now, we have academics, you've got disruptors, you've got practitioners, you've got so many people that bring different skill sets and experiences to the table that we all sort of cover each other's blind spots. I look at it as an academic, I look at this service and I think about research projects. I think about, ideas that I can create, but people that are coding are looking at that space and they're looking at it very differently. And that's a world I don't inhabit, right? So bringing those types of people together means that you can broaden the scope of work and collaboration that can be done together. And we've seen that over the last few days. It's brilliant.
So it actually, I think, opens up new opportunities. It might prompt new research ideas because we have a greater ability to see what's out there, to see how it fits together, and to work between institutions and between collections.
I really like that in 2-3 steps you can get to have an Excel document with a list of objects, with titles, with documents and the records.
Bringing together the different partners in Collections Trust, Art UK and the University of Leicester, what you've got basically is the core components that you need to deliver on successful museum data service.
They're friendly and enthusiastic about this project, and they really want to bring people together on this. And I think I get the sense that they are bringing people of lots of different skill level, lots of different practitioner level, lots of different size of collection together, but they treat those people as if they all matter exactly the same. Everyone is an integral part of the MDS.
There's lots of ways that people can get involved in the Museum Data Service. If you're a museum, visit our website, lots of information there about how you can get in contact with us and start that conversation around your data coming into the MDS. If you're a developer, there's an API. You can start playing with the data set now and get in contact with us if you have an idea of something that you can build that you think could be extraordinary around MDS. And most importantly, if you're a researcher, get in contact with us. If you've got an idea for a research project, and there's a way in which MDS can be part of your next grant application, we'd love to hear from you. But of course, MDS is there now for you to start using in your scholarship and your research.